What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get Sol on your Photon wallet. To do this, the process is very simple, quick and easy. Just follow the steps I'll show you guys in this video. Now we will begin by searching Phantom wallet extension on Google Chrome, and once it's loaded we will head over to the Chrome web store, and here we will make sure that this extension is added in our Google Chrome. And once we have done that, now we will be able to connect this wallet to Photon in order to log into our Photon account. Simply click on this connect wallet button, and now here we can export an existing Phantom wallet on which we have Solana, or we can create a new one and deposit some Solana in it. And once we are done doing that, we'll be successfully logged in to our Photon account. And once we are on the main interface, we'll head over to the wallet management. And once we're on the wallet management, you can see that I have this present balance of Solana in my wallet. I'll head over to the deposit section, and once we are on the deposit section, I'll head over and click on the specific amount option. Now here we will transfer Solana from our connected Phantom wallet to the wallet provided by Photon. Simply type in the amount and click on this deposit button, and our Phantom wallet would pop up. Just like that, here we will enter our password and confirm the transaction. Well, that's how you can do it. I hope the video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.